Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to build a helping hand in your electronics workshop. This is a very little setup of my electronics workshop, so I'm going to show you how to build a helping hand. So we'll be using here as our base. So since we need some alligator clips, first we need to remove the cover of this. So before that, I'm going to drill a hole on this alligator clip. Let me remove this. So I've made a hole here where the alligator clip is going to fit in, 2 holes. So the next thing to do is to fix the alligator clip. I'll use my screwdriver and some nuts. That is it. This is a circuit board which I made. So let's see how this will work. So as you can see guys, it worked very well. So if you like, you can attach more, but I'm going to leave it like this. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please, you can support me, or if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye.